five years ago that I started facing mental health, and then over the years my mental health been declined, and come to a point is that it's been become a big impact in my life. My name is Franz Germain, and I live in South Florida. In my occupation, I work as an accountant in investment. When I came here at Wildwood, I didn't even believe that I will find anything that can help me because of the voice I had in my head, the headache, lack of sleep. But when I spoke to the doctor, she said, yes, come over, and then we have way to overcome this issue. Being at Wildwood, what beneficial to me most is that it wasn't only me that in this situation, and I have many patients that suffer the same thing, the same disease I have suffered, and then they found hope, and then even people actually came before me that was there for that particular disease, and then they found result, but they come back to the lifestyle just enjoying the environment, and then share with us, and then you feel that they are part of you. They understand what I'm really going through. When I feel relief after so many treatment, I just smile because I really found Jesus in this place, because I would suffer back home and nobody seemed to help me. Dealing with mental health is one of the rare diseases that people think you find, and they don't understand because that's not a disease that show physicality. You can be physical, but mentally you're out of it. And then I feel the power of God, the love of God, and I feel relief. So that put a smile on my face, and I'm just say, thank God I am in the right place. It is very hard to be depressed in this place because everybody's so nice. So I found Jesus in this place, and Wildwood is, I believe that Wildwood is supposed to be everywhere in every state.